For far too long, t-shirt sellers and designers have had to deal with clunky and cumbersome PSD files whenever they wanted to make good-looking mockups for their portfolio or online store. Well, not any longer. With Placeit's t-shirt mockups, in just a couple of seconds, you can have access to thousands of t-shirt mockups that just take literally seconds to create. Let me show you how easy it is to use Placeit's t-shirt mockups. Placeit has a ton of different t-shirt mockup styles. Some are more traditional, such as this one with the t-shirt just lying on a flat surface, or a t-shirt on a hanger in a room, or even at an angle with a colored background. But where Placeit's t-shirt mockups really shine is in the variety. So let me show you just a couple of examples of mockups featuring models wearing t-shirt mockups. So as you can see, the photography is done by professionals and the designs look spectacular. Let me just zoom in so you can see the quality of these mockups. You can even see the fibers that make up the t-shirt. So this is not amateur hour. These are professional designers and professional photographers creating these fantastic mockups. So now let me show you how to make your own. To make a mockup is incredibly simple. The first thing we do is we pick the template we'd like to use. For this tutorial, we're going to be using this image here. And then on the left-hand side, we click on the Upload Image button, and that lets us pick an image from our computer. So I already have my t-shirt design here that I want to use. I just select it, and I click on Open. Next, we're going to get a pop-up where we can reposition or resize our t-shirt design. You can just click and drag to reposition, and we can use this slider down here to resize. We can also click on Reset to reset everything. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. Right, and then once we're ready, we just click on Crop. And there we go. Placeit has put our image directly in the mockup. Next, we can go to the right-hand side where it says Shirt Color, and we can change the color. We have a bunch of presets we can choose from, or we can click on More to use this little slider here to click and drag and pick any color that we like. We can also input the hex code if we happen to have that, and then finally click on Choose to change the color of the shirt. I'm just going to go ahead and change it to black. And there we go. Once you're ready to download your image, you simply go to the top section where the big blue download button is, and you click on that. And here you can see the format the image is going to be in. In this case, it's going to be a PNG, and the resolution you're going to get. And then you simply click on Purchase, and you follow those steps. But if you happen to have an unlimited subscription, you get unlimited downloads for only $29 a month. So you get access to all of Placeit's thousands of mockups for only $29, and you can make as many as you want with no limits. So this is what our final mockup actually looks like. As you can see, it's super high quality. Let me just zoom on it so you can take a look and you can appreciate the actual material the t-shirt is made out of. It doesn't look like it's pasted on. It looks like the model is actually wearing our design, and that's exactly what we need to either promote our designs in our online store or on ads, or to use this as part of our portfolio to show off our t-shirt designs. To see all of the t-shirt mockups that Placeit currently has available, you simply go to placeit.net, and on the top left-hand sidebar under Mockups, you slide down to where it says T-shirts and you click on that. And here we can start to actually take a look at the literally thousands of t-shirt mockups that Placeit has available for us to use. To actually find what we're looking for, because Placeit has so many options, we can actually just use the left-hand sidebar. So right now under Product, t-shirt is already selected, and we can see that currently there are over 3,000 different t-shirt mockups available for us to use, but there are a ton of other different options. Below Product, we have template types. So right now, as you can see, we have image mockups such as these mixed with video mockups, and you can tell they're video mockups because they have a little black play button in the top right-hand corner, such as this one, and if you mouse over them, you get a preview of what that video is like. Below template types, we have tags. So not only can we filter by images or videos, but we can also filter by tags, such as the model's ethnicity, their age, the setting, all kinds of different things. And so that's just really going to help us narrow all these different mockups down to just the sets that we're currently looking for that are going to fit for our needs. You might be surprised to learn that all the designs featured in this tutorial were also made using Placeit's t-shirt design makers. So let me show you just a couple of those right now. Simply go to placeit.net, and on the top left-hand side, under Designs, you slide down to where it says T-shirt Design Templates, and you click on that. And here we have a ton of different t-shirt design maker templates that we can use to create professional looking t-shirts in just a couple of clicks. So that's how easy it is to use Placeit to create some fantastic professional looking t-shirt mockups that you can use to either sell your t-shirts, promote them in ads, or create some fantastic mockups for your online portfolio. So what are you waiting for? Get started with Placeit today.